Hello and welcome to Chic Spaces. Today we are here with our latest projects of 2 BHK home interiors in Mayfair apartments at Tellapur. Every corner of this house has been thoughtfully curated to blend elegance with functionality. Let's dive into this video and take a closer look to see what makes this space truly special. The heart of the house, the drawing room, features a grand TV unit framed with marble laminates. The louvers back panel adds depth and texture, while the thoughtfully placed artifacts display unit injects personality into the space. The Pooja room is serene retreat, enclosed with a fluted glass partition and complemented with white and oak laminates. The vanity partition, which echoes the Pooja room's design with its fluted glass partition. The rich black backsplash tiles add a luxurious contrast. Moving on to the dining area, you will find a beautifully designed rafters wall ceiling crafted in rich pinewood, accentuated by sleek profile lights. Just beside the Pooja room, the mirror wall enhances the sense of space, creating a peaceful sanctuary within the home. The kitchen, though compact, is a marvel of design efficiency. The right choice of backsplash tiles and white laminates, combined with black profile doors, amplifies the space, making it feel open and airy. The master bedroom is a subtle yet sophisticated retreat, with hanging lights on either side of the bed, a decent headboard, and functional side tables. It's designed for both comfort and style. The second bedroom features a highly functional sliding wardrobe, maximizing storage without compromising on space. My favorite part of the house is definitely the grand TV unit with louvers paneled around. Please watch the entire video and leaving comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.